Hey, how you doing? How you mama and them? Welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel as we go for hey, do y'all know Dixon's Flannel's got a glass cleaning thing on the end of it? Oh, what am I doing? Oh, welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel for fall color ride around the house. Over to Mt.Cheaha. Run that intro. As you can see, not many colors around on some of these oak trees. Ain't changing, huh? Hey, welcome back to Blue Glass and Doors channel. I can't talk. I was thinking about grass on the road and them leaves. But these are fall colors. They falling. See all the leaves on the road? Whee! Well, hell, I thought she was coming, but she said she was ready. Undoubtedly, she wasn't. Anyway, hey, it's 63.4 degrees these days. Like this, it feels pretty good standing around, but you don't know, do I need to carry a jacket? Do I need to wear long sleeves? And it's just that time of the year, you know what I mean? Know what I mean, Vern? So we're riding over to Mt.Cheaha. Hardly, no, we don't go to that Harley-Davidson store unless we really have to. Pretty much quit the Og chapter there. I'm just through with them. Maybe they get a hint that nobody likes them. Anyway, hey, we're riding up to the high place in Cherokee. That's called Mt.Cheaha, and what Mt.Cheaha means, the high place. We're going to ride up over it, down and around it, and go to Lake Chinnabee. See if there's a lake there. I like the colors when it's pretty and it's reflecting off the water. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to ride over to Lenny Bird. Then we'll go to Weedowie and see if we can see any wineries there. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Maybe stop by High. Come a doggy. Is he going to get out in the road? Nope. He's a good doggy. You don't get in the road, do you, doggy? Good boy. He just wanted to say hi. And he's running back up to the house. So like I was saying, we all the way home. It's 60, well it says 65 now. And yeah, so ain't much to it till we get there. So we'll see you when we get there, John, from Road Reality. Never tell somebody you don't like something, because I'm Generation X. When you tell me I can't do something, I do it more. Uh-huh. Hey, you want to know why we starting over? I'll tell you about it. Yeah. Okay. Why are we starting over? Because I got called into work on that last mission, on that last ride, so I just ended it. But yeah, so we just use that footage and start all over. So we're going to ride over to same plan, kind of. Little alteration in it. But first, hey, your mama now. Okay, got that out of the way. It is 67 degrees. Gonna be like partly cloudy today, but no chance of rain. But them clouds will offer looking darky. Some good colors. Do you know why the leaf change color in the fall? It's called chromophobia or chromophobia. It's sort of the tree's going into sleep mode, and it's not producing the chroma, and that's where that produces the green, and it's quit producing them because the warmer days and cooler nights and shorter days are it's not producing the chroma, yeah, and so that's why you get the changing of the colors. Yeah, just thought you might. Oh, well, do you know that?
This is for my white trash, the ones the whole world hates, the ones who voted for Trump and got labeled racist, but ain't the one.
Alright, we're gonna go up over the gun range, or the bomb range, I should call it. Trying to scrub off a little time, you know. A little early. We're gonna go over that mountain. Yep. I didn't miss the road. But right here on the right, when we turn right here, there's a grave for a baby. And yeah, that I forgot the story, but it's a roadside attraction, or kinda. Find the link, I'll post it up here. So we'll do a little time lapse on Brain Gap Road. It's almost like brain, but for brain like grain, but with a B. Yeah. Well, we here. Voice is cracked. Puberty again. We're gonna wear that right there, the Crab Barrack. Maybe they already open. I don't know. Hey, let's put a speed bump right here and people can go around it. It's so easy. It says they open. Alright. That was pretty good. I don't think it was as good as the King Crawl in Rome, but it's the same style as a shrimp boil, but the shrimp boil was kind of, I don't know, somebody expert on shrimp, if the shrimp is old, does it make it harder to peel? I mean, they already kind of deveined it and all you gotta do is pull the shell off. Maybe they overcooked it, something like that. Bet these people won't let us out. Nope. Ain't gonna do it, are you? Nope. I said before, I'm not too keen on the going in the lower road to Cheaha, but hey, here he is. But this is a nice scenic route, you know, just kind of rough, bumpity bump, potholes, and yeah, narrow road, but it's pretty. We're gonna go to Lake Chinnabee, as I said before, I think, but Talladega National Forest. Bigfoot should be out moving around by now. Sasquatch, Crippet. Yep. I swore yesterday I smelled Bigfoot, musky, smelly thingy. Alright, well anyway, we'll Jeep on your side road now. Jeep on your side road. I have to say, riding through the national forest, and you know, it's pretty good colors. Not much as you would like to. I'd like to see some more reds, but it's still nice. Maybe next week probably be even better. Well, it's a little bit of red. Yeah. This truck thinks he's big enough for the whole road. He's taking. I'm gonna get on right in the middle of the road because I'm so wide, you know. I got my big old truck here. I gotta have the whole road. Yeah, gotta have the whole road. His dog's having a good time. He's like, don't slow down, don't slow down. Faster, 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 faster. That's what the dog's saying. Oh, we got a cyclist. That's a acoustic motorcycle. Figure that one out. Hey, you know, acoustic motorcycle. Alright, here's the road down to Chinnabee, Lake Chinnabee. Remember that big pothole when we come back up? Let's don't hit it. Alright, we are almost to the bottom. Yep. Wee. It kind of scared me. It's kind of in the middle of the road. Come a car. You can tell how they kind of want to be. They're not getting over enough to clean all the. Wow, pretty dry. Lake Chinnabee is about empty. And there ain't much color either. Dang it. Hey, you can't go around? He'll stop it. Oh, shit. Foot slipped. Yeah, ain't much color here like it usually is. At least about all gone, some of them trees. And all algae or whatever that is. Huh. Alright, well, got the best we can do on the colors. I was hoping it was usually pretty good colors down in this valley. Can't wait too much longer, they all be gone. It'll be all gray and dark down here. There's a waterfall up through there, but Devil's Falls or something. Don't forget to pay. Like somebody gonna come down here and check. I bet none of them people paid. So back up this mountain. You see the road's right over here, but the leaves makes you think you gotta be in the middle of the road. Look who it is again, that acoustic motorcycle. Right here's good colors, kind of. To me it looks good through my rose-colored lenses. The lower campground, we back in Cheaha. A lot of people going out to the lake. Oh. Wow. Oh, look at it. Look like it's fixing to rain up through there, ain't it? almost to the end of this video. Glad you made it this far. Get up here at the top. Well, it's cooled off. That sun goes behind the clouds and 71 degrees. Feel cooler than that. Elevation's 1,400 feet. But that's not the tippy top. Look at the look at it. Pretty, ain't it? Pretty. Oh, you can't see around that sign. Right here's where I'm gonna pull off. It ain't coming. Enjoying the day. Alright, let's go on up the road, peace. $2,056 feet. There's some motorcycles. We ain't stopping. We're going on to the house. Whee! Ooh, big ol' RV. Right on the yellow line. Well, that cloud right there, you know, might be raining, just ain't hitting the ground yet because it's 68 degrees. Gotta be home because it's gonna get dark at 4:30. It's 12:43, so that's 1:43 our time. So time we get home be almost 3 o'clock. But anyway, that's enough about time and temperature check and everything like that and all them good stuff. You know what I mean? Hope you get the last little bit of riding in for your riding season over at ours don't end. It just gets colder. Less of it and more wetter. So we're gonna ease on to the house, and you can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you later on down the road. See you at VAM, I hope. VAM 25, July the 10th.